Hello dear student, how are you? I think all of you are well, also I'm fine. So before starting today's class, first of all I am introducing me. Uh, though you know, but I am again introducing me. I am Khalid Mamun, lecturer accounting department, Dhaka Mega City College, as well as the subject teacher, finance and banking class 9 and 10 English version BST. So dear student, our discussion chapter is chapter 8. You know, so first of all, uh, before knowing the name of the chapter, I want to show a screen, a pic to you. So you see the two pic, and left side is a note of 1000 taka, and the right side a sum of coins of 5 taka. Okay, so by seeing this note, I think you understand that our discussion chapter and topics will be and currency, because this note, this coin is used as a currency. Also this currency is transacted by a bank and banking activities. So let's go to see the discussion topics and the name of the chapter. Yeah, so you see the screen, our chapter name, and also our discussion topics is currency, bank and banking. Okay, so let's go to know the concept, how many concepts you will learn from today's lectures. Okay, yes. So you see that learning outcome of today's class. I think from today's class you will be able to explain the currency. Also, you will be able to explain bank, explain banking, explain banker, and as well as you will be able to know the functions of currency. Okay. So okay, let's go. Our main discussion concepts and topics. First of all, you have a question. You may have a question. That means, what is currency? What is bank? Yeah. So now I want to explain that what is currency. Okay. So you see the note and definition. Hopefully you see the video class, and also you write down this definition and concept in your copy. Okay. So, what is currency? Currency is a medium of exchange which works as a scale of measuring values. Okay. So, what I said, currency is a medium of exchange. Currency is a medium of exchange which works as a scale of measuring values. Okay. So, when you purchase a mobile, or purchase a coffee, or purchase a bike, you give the seller money, a currency, like. Okay. So that's why we can say currency is a medium of exchange. Okay, so I think you understand the definition. And the next one is bank. Okay, so without bank, currency is unthinkable in our modern business world, business society. Okay, so we need to know the bank. Bank is a financial institution which collects the deposits from people against interest and makes investment for earning profit. Okay, so banks is a financial institution who collects a deposit of money from us, from people, against interest. Okay, and this collected money, this deposited money, this bank, but this institution invest in various sectors. Okay, for earning the profit. So this institution is bank. So I think you understand the definition of bank. Okay. So let's go in our next topics and next discussion. Okay, I think all of you are watch the videos very attentively. Okay, dear student. Okay. So you see the next concept, the like banker and banking. Okay, so the today's business world, the banking, banker is more relevant and important topics and important name in our modern business world. Okay, so in previous slide, we have to know what is banker, a bank. Now we want to know the what is banker, right? Yeah. So let's see the concept or definition. What is banker? People who are directly involved in the banking business are called banker. Very simple. There is no ambiguity in this definition, right? Yeah. What I said, people who are closely or directly involved in banking activities or banking business are called the banker. Okay. And the second one is, what is banking? You may have a question, sir, what is banking then? Yeah. So what is banking? All the legal activities of bank is known as banking. All the legal activities of bank, the activities that is operated, that is controlled by a bank is known as banking. Okay, I think you cleared the concept of banker and banking. So let's go the next slide. Yeah, now there is a very important topics. We need to know these topics to make a financial transaction with the bank, as well as to make a good result by answering these types of question in your board exam, in your internal school term, various types of term exam in your school. Okay, so you see the three types of functions of currency. Okay, so without function a currency cannot run. Okay, so currency, there are some of functions of a currency all over the world, as well as in our country. Okay, the first functions is that, what is the first functions? You see, it works as the medium of exchange. The first functions of currency is it works as the medium of exchange. The second functions of currency is it works as the means of savings. And the last one and the third functions of currency is it works as the measures of values. Okay, so this is the point. This is the point. So we need to know, clarify or explanation of this point, right? Yes. Yes. Okay, you have a question, you want to know the explanation of these functions. Okay, so then let's go the next slide to know the explanation of these functions. Yeah, you see the explanation of functions of currency. The first point is we said currency works. Yeah, we said currency works as the medium of exchange, means we said the first function is that currency works as the medium of exchange, means it is used for any kind of transactions, like you can spend 10 taka to buy a pen, or you can spend 500 taka to buy a school bag. Okay, so that's why we can say currency works as the medium of exchange. Okay, as the media of exchange. The second point is it works as the means of savings. What is the meaning of it works as the means of savings? It means when you want to save for future. If you want to save some money for future, you can make these savings through money. Okay? If you want to save for your future in a bank, you must make these savings through a money. Like you have a deposit like 1 lakh in a bank for your future savings. Okay? That means we said that it works as the means of savings. Yeah. By explaining this example, now we have to clear that yes, the currency works as a means of savings. Okay. And the last one is it works as the measure of values. So what is the meaning of it works as the measures of values? The meaning of it works as the measures of values is through currency, you can determine the price of commodity and service. Without the currency, you can't determine the price of commodity and the price of services. For example, you can determine the price of your finance book, right? You can determine the price of finance book is taka 100, or the price of service like the doctor visit is 500 taka very easily. Why or how? Because the existence of currency. Because the existence of currency, you can make a price, you can determine the price of your finance book, of the doctor visit, of your commodity. Okay, that means we can say it works as the measure of values. So I think you are very clear about the three functions of currency with a proper example. Okay, so dear students, now let's go we have already discussed the chapter 8, the various important topics like what is currency, like what is bank, like what is banker, what is banking, and the important topics is the functions of currency. And I have also explained the three types of functions of currency with the proper example. Okay, so I think you have you clear and understand the today's lectures. In at your home you will see this video class again and again, and also you write down the concept and definition and functions in your copy and learn more and more. So hopefully see you in next class. Till that, take care, be safe, and stay home. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.